Hey guys, I might be addicted to whatnot, man.
Most important thing in business is honesty, integrity, hard work, family. Never forgetting where we came from.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. I appreciate y'all, man. I did drop the Diffuse Blue All Mama and Ye Jordan 3 video. If you didn't, go check it out, like it, subscribe, all that stuff the YouTubers say. But I took a week hiatus because I've been on this Whatnot app, man. And of course they not sponsoring it. I don't like sponsors. This is a straight channel. I'm always gonna shoot it straight to you guys. I downloaded that app maybe 7 months ago. I never did all the information. I'd be a little weary with putting my information in every app that come out. I'm usually late. Like with Instagram, it took months before I decided to do Instagram. Now they got Threads. I'm on it, but I ain't on it. You know what I mean? But the Whatnot, man, this is going to change lives, guys. Live shopping is addictive. It's kind of better than window shopping, guys. So y'all seen all them packages. We're gonna open them up and to see a couple of things that I brought from Whatnot, and I'm gonna introduce y'all to some sellers that if y'all on Whatnot that I know that's on the up and up. That's another thing you gotta look out for: scams, fakes, you know, everything, man. But before we get into that, let me show you some things that I picked up also that wasn't off Whatnot. So I did miss a couple Supreme drops. Right here is the Supreme compressed t-shirt joint. I'm not gonna use it. I just thought it was dope. Maybe I will use it. I don't know, man. But it definitely saves room and space. So I thought this was dope. So I copped this. As far as the stickers, man, I feel like this is like one of the most fire stickers Supreme is coming out with this year. This one must be for the Miami store. That's why you got 305 on the back. So yeah, those stickers. And this is the Supreme bedroom tee. I feel like this tee is being disrespected right now. But just looking at the comic of it, you know that this is going to be one of the iconic Supreme tees in a couple of years. I got it in that green colorway. But this one is called the Supreme bedroom tee. I really like this tee, guys. You like it too. And one more app that's like under the radar is Poison, man. I really like Poison. I brought a North Face from them last winter. So I don't know if y'all can see all the way up here. Let me see, can I? A little bit. But up there all the way at the top is the DJ Khaled 5s. We the best. And I only put them on once with my Essential joint. And I forgot they made clothes to it, so I wanted the pants. But when I googled the pants, the shorts came up, and is it locked? Is it open? All right, here we go. And I decided to go with Poison. When you buy from Poison, you get this dope off-white inspired tag, which I like. And I had to do the shorts to kind of match the sneakers, man. It is aging sizing. It looks a little. Joints look a little small, man. I might have to take them back. I got the extra large. I don't know. I'm going to have to check these out, man. But the match is perfect, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Now let's get into all the stuff I brought from Whatnot. This seller here, his name is Soho Hype. Shout out to him because he's from the city. He's from my city. That's all his information there. One of the most entertaining streams on there, actually, man. Let me do that again. It's $15 off your first order, so check that out. Soho Hype. This is when I knew like the problem was getting worse because I started buying stuff I would never buy. So from him, I brought this Supreme chapstick that I passed up on a regular website. I'm telling you, it's something about live shopping, guys. But I did get the Supreme lip balm, and y'all know that. I got a lot of Supreme accessories. I didn't have this one. I got this from a different seller. But same Supreme accessories that I passed up on. Got it for a stupid steal. That's one thing about Whatnot, too. You get stuff under retail. It's a live bid, a live auction. It's super dope. It's like eBay on drugs, guys. eBay live. It's crazy. But yeah, man, I got this for $7, and as you can see, it already has $5.50 on it. So to me, another steal. Santa Monica. This is from Cool Kicks. If you ever been to Los Angeles, then you know who Cool Kicks is. That they call themselves the greatest show on earth. That show's entertaining, guys. Cool Kicks delivers, and you get steals. They always say you can make money buying from me. Like if you're a reseller, that might be your favorite stream. Yeah, this is the What Night package slip. Ah, damn, I was going to show y'all, but let me see. My address all over this. Let me just try to fold this. As y'all can see here, that's what I brought. That's what I paid, guys. This is it's crazy, right? I'm not really a Palace fan. I'm more of a Supreme guy. So here go here, in bag, in package, the McDonald's Palace hoodie. It's hard, guys. This is hard, man. I like this one, man. So you got the McDonald's on the front. Then when you get here, take that off. Got the big McDonald's logo on the back. Says Palace all big. Got this for $30 from Cool Kicks, guys. So shout them out, man. And y'all can see why I've been like on What Night all week. What night? Fortnite? What night? All week. Let's see. Do I got the seller here? Oh, man, I really want to remember these guys' names, man. We had a whole pallet of Michelin Ness stuff, and it was just going for the low. Hey, man, I want to remember their name. But I caught these for a steal, man. Oakland Raiders. I'm trying to open it, goddamn. Oakland Raiders Michelin Ness shorts. Yeah, NFL Team ID mesh shorts. Look at the MSRP, guys. $85. I paid $40, guys. $40. Raiders Michelin Ness shorts, man. 1000% official. Tags in the bag, man. I've been on Whatnot going crazy, guys. Leaving Whatnot real quick. My LeBron James 50K card finally came in. And if anybody else cop, could y'all please help your boy out, man, and tell me what was supposed to be the difference? I know when I brought it, it says something, look for this, look for that. I don't know. Me looking at this, it looks like I got a basic one, man. But anybody with some knowledge, please let me know, did I hit big or what, man? But I'm just going to keep it anyway. I'm happy LeBron's a Laker. Y'all know I'm a Laker fan, so that's something else I cop. But you could get all kind of stuff for the steals and deals on Whatnot, man. Like this tee I brought. I forgot the seller also, but, man, it's just so much stuff on Whatnot, man. I'm here just to tell y'all it's a real site. And that's what I took like a week off, but I'm back, man. I got the Kobe Jackie Robs, man. I won the raffle, man. I got those coming in. And probably a couple other hotter styles, man. But just checking in with you guys, man. Let y'all know I ain't going to leave y'all again, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.